Clay Artist. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I will just come in the frame and introduce myself, and because I'm always behind the camera you can see my hands but not me, so I thought that would be a nice thing that we can a little bit know each other and you know the person behind the hands. I especially enjoy working with mugs because not everyone likes sculptures, but if you put that sculpture on a mug, everybody drinks coffee, drink tea, drink at least water, so people can use that piece of art and enjoy every day. Working with polymer clay is a way for me to tell my story. Everyone has a story, and I think these characters on the mug just tell different stories, and that is why I prefer to work on different projects and not do the same thing again and again. I think that's the most exciting part about this line of work, because you can make different things. You can make flowers, or you can make characters, movie characters, or just simple doll on a mug, and everyone make a different story, everyone tells a different story, and you can be your own fashion designer, you know. And also, if you need some more in-depth classes, I have classes that I offer on Skillshare. There are subscriptions, and you can use the link in the description to have 30 days of free trial, like 1 month of free trial, and that would be awesome. There are a lot of awesome classes on Skillshare, so yeah, if you need something more in-depth and with more instructions and slower videos, there I have some classes and courses for you. I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope that you consider subscribing, liking the videos, and also if you have something in mind, something I never did, or if you want something different, just comment under my videos. I check them regularly, and if you guys ask any questions, I will just hop on and try to answer you as thoroughly as I know, as my knowledge is. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your rest of the day, and see you in my next video.